Hey guys, sorry I haven't uploaded the last 2 days. I've been sick, I'm still sick. So I promised you 2 more boxes, which was Wrestle Crate and One Up Box. I got them both. So I'm going to compact them into one video right here. So I'll start with Wrestle Crate. My Wrestle Crate comes in a box, just plain white box. Some tape on it. Of course your information on top. So let's dive in. Alright. I'll save the t-shirt for last. First up you get broken table for action figures, I guess. It looks like it came from the Acolytes Production Agency set. Little box here. Let's see what it is. It does not open. It is a bottle opener. Wrestle Crate bottle opener. It's kind of cool. I'll put that on my keychain. Pack of WWE Topps Road WrestleMania trading cards. Let's open them up real quick. See what we got. We got Evolution. I don't know if you can see that. Dean Ambrose defeats Bray Wyatt. John Cena defeating Bray Wyatt. Randy Orton defeats CM Punk. We got a Hall of Fame card. Sergeant Slaughter. A WrestleMania 19 card with Triple H. Defeats Booker T. Kane tombstoning Daniel Bryan. And that's it. That's it for that. Then, let's see what this light will do a little bit better. A WWE Elite action figure of Bray Wyatt. Personally would have liked to have a legend like Hogan or Taker, Dean Ambrose, Diamond Dallas Page, Goldust, Stardust in the back there. Would have loved to have any of those. Not that I don't like Bray Wyatt, just, you know, more legends, you know what I mean? And an autograph. Leave it out of the box. It is of somebody I've met already and already have the autograph of in his book from 2001. Superstar Kurt Angle, former WWE and TNA World Heavyweight Champ. It's cool to have another autograph of his. I would just wish there was like certificate of authenticity. It's a gamble, but I know that's Angle's autograph. And the t-shirt is going to my niece, so I got it in a small size. It is 25 years of The Undertaker, so you got Taker's glove sticking up. 25 on there. It's kind of cool. I'll be honest with you, I saw openings for Wrestle Crate for the UK version, and the UK version was way better than this. They had Finn Balor, prints, a DVD, and an Elite action figure too. But I digress. On to my very first ever one-up box. So let's open it up. Right here at the top. And the theme for one-up box is Galaxy, just like Loot Crate. First thing you see is a plushie Chewbacca. That's pretty cool. A lanyard with the design for their their poster, advertising Galaxy with designs of Star Wars and Star Trek characters. That's pretty cool. I might wear that. Detroit Comic Con, Motor City Comic Con in May. I might need this. Might use it. Or any other cons I might end up going this year. Of course, there's a T-shirt, a inflatable lightsaber. Pretty cool. The pin for this month. I don't know why they like to include pins, but they do. It's got a Wally holding a baby Groot. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna pass that along to one of my friends who loves Wally and Groot. A Rocket raccoon sticker. That's pretty cool. The card telling you what is in the box. You get 6 items this month. A pretty cool, not a huge Star Trek fan, but I am a Kirby fan, so you got Captain Kirby. It's a pretty cool print, pretty cool. I like it. It's cute. And then they always have a T-shirt in one-up box. This month's shirt is I know what it is. It's Toto or Toto, something like that, inspired. But it's Star Wars inspired. And I noticed the other day on someone's unboxing, because I checked ahead of time. Just impatient, There's a little Darth Vader down here in the corner, hiding behind the trees. So, it's a 2X. Of course, too small fit me, but that's awesome. It's a cool shirt. I'm gonna give it to a friend. And that's it for this unboxing. For these 2 unboxings. Sorry, I'm way out of it. I'm just really sick. Anyway, thank you for watching this week's unboxings. If I had to say what ones would go and what ones would stay, I'm definitely going to keep the Marvel boxes. Geek Fuel, I'm going to give another go for next month. I think they were laid back this time around, just for the holidays, even though some really good stuff. Wrestle Crate I might just cancel, because I'm disappointed that we didn't get something like the UK one did. Different boxes are great and all, but having those prints I've seen in previous boxes for the US, pretty much every box, and they didn't include one this time around, was just ridiculous. And the fact that I seen the UK, where a lot of the UK guys got Dean Malenko, and obviously you kind of want Dean Malenko over Bray Wyatt if you're like collecting elites for legends and stuff like that. One-up box is gonna stay for good, at least through the summer. Ditching Loot Crate. No more Loot Crate. Oh. And yeah, Wrestle Crate, Loot Crate are out. Geek Fuel, 1-Up Box, and Marvel Collectors is staying. And then next month I might try out Pro Wrestling Loot Crate. Or Loot. There's so many different wrestling ones. I'm going to try Pro Wrestling Loot Crate or whatever it's called. But, anyway, this has been the unboxing. Thank you for watching.